The price of nowadays webcams are really high, so you might think that, hey, I have a phone in my pocket, how can I use it as a webcam? In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can use your phone as a webcam. I also give you the pros and cons of each way so you can decide which version is really good for you and your device. So let's jump to the screen. The first useful webcam software that you can use it on Android and iOS is Iriun Webcam. So in here, you will type Iriun Webcam, and this is the original website. So I open it. Based on your operating system, you can download the webcam for your operating system. I'm going to download it for Windows. I click in here. This is the setup file. I just double click on it and accept the agreement. Press on next, again next, and hit on the install. If you want to use multiple cameras with using this app, in here you can change it. As an example, you can change it at 2, 3, 4. Okay, this app supports 4 different cameras with using this method. I didn't change it. I only have a phone and a webcam, and in here I'll type install. I press on install and it's going to download the additional files, so you need to wait until this download process finished. So right now, open your phone and go to your app store. In here, find Iriun Webcam and install it. After the Iriun Webcam installation finished on your phone and your PC, it's time to connect both of them in the same network. As you can see in here, it says Iriun app turns your phone into a wireless webcam. Okay, if you are connected into the same network, I mean your PC and your mobile is going to be connected into the same network, you can use your phone as a wireless webcam. You can also use your phone as a wired webcam with connecting a cable, okay, between the computer and your phone. So at first, I'm going to cover how to use it as a wireless webcam. So I need to turn off my camera recording and jump into the phone screen. On phone, I open the Iriun Webcam. Okay, this is the UI that you'll see in here. So I just go to the settings. On the settings, you can change the camera. Okay, you can change it on back camera or front camera. Okay, so I recommend you to use the back cameras because the quality of the back cameras of phones are really better. And I need to mention that if you are connected into a VPN on your phone or on your PC, you need to disconnect them, because if you didn't disconnect them, they can't connect wireless. As you can see, I just right now open the Iriun Webcam, and on this setting part, you can change the front camera and the back camera. I recommend you to set it on the back camera because phones' back cameras, the quality of them are really better than the front cameras. You can't press on show grid because it's not available on the free version. In here, if you want, you can press on dim screen. So with this way, you can save power. Okay, you can save battery power. And on the microphone boost, it's on automatic, so I didn't change it. With this way, you can record your sound with using Iriun Webcam too. So I just go back. And in here with this button, I can change the front and back camera. Okay, if you set it on the back camera, okay, let me go back, and in here another option, it will be available for you, so you can turn on the flashlight. Okay, you can turn off and turn on the flashlight. If you click on this option, you can rotate yourself. So right now, as you can see, I just opened the both apps, but I cannot connect into the Iriun Webcam. The problem is using a VPN. So I must disable the VPN connection that I have into my phone and my PC. So none of them needs to be connected into a VPN. Okay, right now I have a webcam. Okay, my phone is turned into a webcam, so I can use the audio of it too. In here, you can connect another phone into this device, but as you can see, I just don't have any other phone, so I can't do it. If you press in here, you can change the video format. As you can see, it's on automatic, so you can change it up to this 1080, and this one is 4K. Okay, my front camera can support 4K, my back camera can support it. So as an example, I just hit it here. I knew that this is not a true resolution, so I'm going to bring back it on 9020 1080. So I know that the back camera can support 4K. Okay, this one is 4K. So I will choose the back camera and start telling you the other things. Back camera is much better. So I can also change it on 4K. Okay, Hi. So this way you can use Iriun Webcam. So right now I'm using a PC. Okay, I'm not using a laptop that supports a webcam. I just go on to Start and in here type camera. I open the camera. It says let Windows and apps screen your location. I don't really like it. And then, okay, it's me. So if I hit on the record or take the video, it will record the video for me. I hit on the photo, so I can use my phone camera as a photo recording software. So the quality of my face is really good. I like the quality that my phone is giving to me. On Windows software camera, the quality is set on 1080. Okay, 920 1080 Full HD by default. So if you go to setting, in here, go to the video setting, you can see the video quality. In here, I can change it up to 4K and I can decrease and increase the quality. I set it on 4K right now. It's set on 4K. So I just go back and I don't see a huge mistake or bad resolution whenever I use Wi-Fi. Okay, it's really connected with Wi-Fi, so I don't see any drops. So that's a cool thing. So if you want to connect your phone with the Iriun webcam with using a wired connection, just connect your phone into your PC with using a cable and it will be automatically connected. Okay, with this way you can easily connect your phone and your PC on the Iriun webcam app. The other method that you can use is using OBS.Ninja. So you need to open your browser. In here, type OBS.Ninja. I type it wrong, so OBS.Ninja is the site. In here, you need to press and create reusable invite. So I click on it. In here on the quality setting, you can unlock the video bitrate, you can enable the stereo and HD audio. So if you want, you can enable them. And in here, press on target video resolution. You can change it on up to 1080. Okay, this way supports up to 1080. It's not going to be supported up to 4K. So because of that, I just introduced you the Iriun webcam as first. So if your problem solved, don't watch the video till the end. But press on like and subscribe button. Okay, this way you can help us to achieve 1K subs. Right now, I'm on 700 subscribers. If you press generate the invite link, so right now you can press on guest invite link. I mean, you can copy this code and send it into your phone with any way that you can. You can also scan this QR code, and this one is for the OBS browser security link. So you need to copy this one and paste it on the OBS software to connect your phone and your OBS device wireless. And if you want to know how to work with OBS, watch the next video.